Are you freaked out about buying a home because interest rates just rose above 7%? Well, don't be. In this video, we're going to talk about why interest rates should never affect your decision to buy. Don't be scared. Let's check it out. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make an educated decision about whether or not interest rates should affect your decision to buy a home. Before we get going, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. Did you know that in 1981, interest rates were 18.45%? That's crazy. And did you know that if you think about our current mortgage rates at 7.38%, think about the fact that there's a lot of places in the world where interest rates are in excess of 20%. Interest rates in January of 2021 were at 2.65%, the lowest in US history. Compare that to 1981, when interest rates were above 16%. Now, you may be telling yourself, now that interest rates are about at 7.4%, that you're gonna wait to buy a home until they go back down. Well, look, while it's pretty likely that we're not going to see interest rates go to either extreme, 2.6, over 16%. They're also not that likely to go back down anytime soon. And are you going to be in a situation, just like those people a couple months ago who didn't buy it when interest rates were at 5%? Are you going to regret it when interest rates are up to 8 or even 9%? Look, and low interest rates mean more buyers, more competition. High interest rates means fewer buyers and less competition. Do you want your home buying experience to be like this?
Around with his belt, like swinging it at people, and then like out of nowhere some guy came behind and like jumped on his back and just started choking him.
Or like this. When interest rates were at an all-time low, we were seeing offers at an all-time high. A single property would have 15 to 20 offers. It was an all-out bidding war. And buyers now are in a position where they regret their purchase because they bought a home as is. They bought a house they didn't really even like that much because they felt that they wanted to get this house while interest rates were low. Although all that bidding drove up the cost of the home 10 to 15% higher than the listing price. I've read articles by NPR, Washington Post, Wall Street Journal that state that over 72% of people that bought during the pandemic regret it. That's right. And why do they regret it? Well, the experience was terrible because everybody was trying to buy. So people felt this pressure to buy whatever they could at the lowest interest rates possible, but they often found themselves buying houses that now need tons of repairs. They were waiving inspection, they were buying homes as is, and buying houses that frankly they didn't like because they wanted to get a lower interest rate. Guess what also happened at that time? Many homes were going way over listing prices because there were bidding wars. We were seeing 15 to 20 offers on a single home, driving the price up and up and up. I've had a few buyers recently say, I'm gonna put my home search on hold because I want to wait until interest rates go down. Well, guess what? This may seem like a good idea, but if you really think about it and do the math, you may realize that it's not. Look, I know home buying is emotional, it's scary, but let's have the conversation. Let's see what it's gonna take you to get into your first home, your next home, your first investment, your next investment. Give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to help you out. So, in my opinion, I think you should not wait to buy a home. You never know what interests are going to be month to month. So don't let your desire to buy be swayed by what interest rates are. And again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to hear me talk about. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I come out with something new. Thanks for watching.